Wow, what a performance. I'm even tired sitting there looking at the footwork and all the chakras they have been doing. A lot of applause to the teachers. They have been doing amazing. Okay, so now moving on to our next segment. It was called Tarana. Its music is by ISTG. It's choreographed by Cynthia Vijay Kumar, and it's performed by Cynthia students Varsha, Prachi, Shivani, Misha, and Sarah. Please put a hand together for them. This is the Teen Tal Tarana performed by the students of Aram Dance School. Here is a little story about how Tarana came into existence. The musicians created music that had no semblance to any Hindu or Islamic religious traditions. This led to the creation of Tarana. In this composition, syllables such as Tana Dhirena, Odani Todani, Tadim and Yalai were used, which had no meaning but were employed to create melodies. This is how the Tarana genre came into existence. Please put a hand together for Tarana.
gama dani sa dani sa sa gama dani sa gama dani sa dani sa sa gama gama dama dani 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 sa ga dani dani da sa sa ga dani dani da sa sa ga dani dani da sa gama gama dama dani 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 sa ga dani dani da sa sa ga dani dani da sa sa ga dani dani da sa dani dani sa ga dani dani dama gama ga dani dani sa ga dani dani dama gama ga dani dani sa ga dani dani sa ga dani da dani da dani da dani da